Welcome to a simple guide on budgeting basics that anyone can follow. Today, I'll show you how a regular notebook can become your most powerful tool for managing money. No complicated apps or expensive software needed, just you, a pen, and paper. This straightforward method helped me save $500 in my first month, and I'm confident it can work for you too. Let's start with the first step, tracking your money. Begin by writing down your total monthly income in your notebook. For example, if you earn $2,000 from your job, that's your starting point. Then, make it a habit to record every single expense throughout the week, whether it's a $5 coffee, your $200 rent payment, or your $15 streaming subscription, write it all down. While you can cross-reference with your bank app for accuracy, the beauty of a notebook is that you can use it anywhere, anytime. The second step introduces the practical 50-30-20 rule for budgeting. This simple framework helps you divide your income into three main categories. Take your monthly income and allocate 50% for essential needs like rent, utilities, and groceries. Then, set aside 30% for wants, things like entertainment, dining out, or shopping. The remaining 20% goes straight to savings or debt repayment. For a $2,000 monthly income, that means $1,000 for needs, $600 for wants, and $400 for savings. Write these categories in your notebook and adjust the percentages if needed to match your specific situation. The final step is all about maintaining your budget through weekly check-ins. Every Sunday, take just 5 minutes to compare your actual spending with your planned budget. This regular review helps you spot patterns and make adjustments. For instance, if you notice you're spending too much on takeout, you can plan to cut back the following week. This simple habit of reviewing your spending led me to discover I was spending $50 monthly on unnecessary snacks. Cutting that out saved me $600 over the year. Remember, successful budgeting isn't about perfection, it's about progress. This notebook method works because it's simple, accessible, and helps you stay conscious of your spending habits. The physical act of writing down your expenses makes you more mindful of where your money goes, and the weekly reviews keep you accountable. Start with these 3 steps: track, budget, and review, and watch how your financial awareness and savings grow. With consistency and patience, you'll be amazed at how much control you can gain over your finances using just a simple notebook.